Who's this banging on my door? Oh, have a look through here. Oh yes.
Hello, can we look around your van?
Yes, come on inside. Come and have a look inside.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Another idea of mine.
Ah, Jenny.
Oh. This is my van. I've been experimenting. It's its first trip out to Spain, and hopefully you'll like all the little gadgets I've thought about inside it. It's been a year, but in between my work and all my free time, it's taken a year to do. Thinking, right, well, the shower's there, the aircon's there, the telly's there, the bed's there. That's been the hardest bit to think of. Come inside and have a look, see what you think.
Caravan?
No, bought that new. But I only turn the gas on for the cooker, and then when I finish cooking, turn it off again. I don't like gas. And it's freezer, fridge. And it's all on 12 volt, which is better than gas. No gas, or it's a boat one, which is very good. That's the best thing in the van. Yep. Well, this fell off the back of a lorry.
Second hand.
No, new. Oh, it's still got the stickers. It's still new, but
Why?
eBay. It fell off. And it was damaged, about £200. It's better with a toilet and a shower and a caravan.
Second hand? Very cheap.
£500, and then you've got the toilet, all sorts of the pump, the vents, all sorts of things. But this here, aircon. This is why I've got so many batteries and so much solar panel. This is 2,600 watts, so that's why I've got so many batteries. Or maybe get a smaller aircon, but this only cost me £40.
£40?
And you can have it hot and cold.
Very cheap.
Hot and cold, this.
Hot and cold.
So in England I can use it as a heater. In Spain I can use it with aircon. But this was what I thought, that and this, to live in my van and be more comfortable, but I've hardly used this. I've only used it once. I've only put it once on since I've been here, but we're in October, November, aren't we? So maybe in the middle of the summer I might use this a lot more, but it's all an experiment this time. So, but you see, I won't be living in this in England. I'll be at my house, my casa. I've got off the grid. and you see, I've got fan here, fan there. So it's been okay. It's not been too hot. It doesn't take long to cool it down or heat it up because it's so well insulated. Yeah, insulated. I've got that much Kingspan all in it, and on the floor and on the roof, so it's all insulated. And then there's three under under that seat.
Yeah.
But
Switch.
yeah, to switch it off,
Security switch.
everything can be switched off. Oh, you're taking that. Side batteries, those ones. The big batteries, 120 amp hour or 110 amp hour batteries, and there's 5 of those. These are the best batteries because they're deep cell batteries. These are normal batteries.
Normal.
Deep cell, you can go flat, no charge, and charge them up. No charge on this battery, and they don't last very long. They don't charge very, you know, you get a flat, no charge in this battery so many times and then the battery's kaput. This one, you can go flat, charge up, lot more. And then this is for the 12 volts to convert this to 220 volts. Well, it needs to be for the aircon. That's
Modify seat.
But that's better for the microwave. Voltage and ampage. You see now that is charging 12.9 volts. These are all ampage ones, and then I've got one for my iPad and one for my iPhone to charge everything up. You see, I can switch the solar panels on and off there. Switch them on again there, and then they charge each one. My 12 volts goes to the fuse box there. Right, that's yes.
Very important.
This shows when the battery's charging, when the battery's happy and it's flashing, it's charging. So I'm nearly full now. You can see I've just got one more bar to make it full. These ones, these are the same sort of charges, but they're slightly different. They just stop flashing when they're fully charged. But if it breaks, then I can put all these into there as well. But this one's lower ampage than that one. Maybe, what ampage is yours? Oh, smart telly. With, have you seen this? I've not used this much yet. If you find a cafe with internet, you can go for a drink, ask for the password, park in the car park outside, zoom in, just through that, and then through the telly, and we've got internet. That gets plugged into there, sort of like that. That goes onto there, that plugs into there, and then away you go. I've got PlayStation, DVD, so it all gets plugged into the telly. There's my table, and then I've got my little spy hole. And a lot the van here as well, just for me. But you see, I can put that in there, put those in, and nobody can pull it and get it from outside. There's your CCTV.
Oh, really nice.
This is the side views of the van. This is the back view of the van with the motorbike on. Who's this outside? These, did you notice this last night? These come on and off.
Like
these are all solar. And then there's 30 LEDs.
30.
And then they come on and off
In the night?
in the night, just for security. That's little cameras.
Little camera.
With cameras. There's a camera there, camera there. I'll go into
Camera.
Each solar panel is 260 watts, which I think it's 25 amps in all the panels. These pipes are for solar water, and I fill it up there, turn that on, fill it up there, let the air out at the other end, because when I first tried it, it blew the ends off because of the water, the pressure. And the pump to pump the water out is in there, and then it goes through there down into the hot water. Can you hear it? It's the pump on the tube, and then that one is the tub at the back. You know, through the back doors, which I showed you there, like that one, but it's in the back, isn't it? That's connected to that pump, and that's connected to that pump. So it's two pumps. That's extra. That's just a spare water.
How many liters?
Well, about 20 litres there. So 20 litres, 40 litres, 50 litres for the whole. Overtaking.
¿Puede poner la cámara ahí? Que graba.
Because of the right-hand drive, I can't overtake. You see, that plugs into that, you see.
Do experiment.
Do you like experiments? No. Jenny.
She thinks that's a mouse or a rat.
Jenny.
Can you water tank?
Jenny, there's a mouse. Jenny.
Right, this is my motorbike. I used to be into motocross, so this is handy for nipping about on. And this is for Jenny, the little dog. It's a little idea I came up with. It's got a thermoelectric cooler fan with a solar panel, and it gets plugged into the bike, and it's for if I go to the shops and I have to leave her in, she doesn't get too hot.
Jenny.
Where's Jenny gone? Jenny! Come on, here. In here. Come on. She says we don't usually go up this high. She says we don't usually go up this high, Daddy, do we? Oh no. Now, come on, in you go. Come on, in. Come on, in. Come on, in you go. In you go. Good girl. Go on, in you go. She knows it's too high up.
Do they know?
So I had to put some security things on it. These are pins that go through and lock with padlocks either side of the wheels, and then this comes down and locks into a tube at the back, and that goes there to let it off.
Next level for me.
All right, yeah, you want a motorbike on the back.
Do you like yellow?
Well, it just happened I had a yellow motorbike and a yellow van, and this was all rusty. These are all, I had to rub it down.
Rusty.
Yeah, so I thought, well, I've got to paint it black to cover it up, and then this was all a bit, you see, so I thought, I'll paint it silver.
Polyester past.
But this was good. From here to there was good. What made me think is, you see, silver and black. That's what made me think of silver and black on the van. Yeah, I put a new one in. So that's why it's painted like that. Well, travelling with a dog, it's okay. It's good company, but it does hold you back sometimes if you want to go to the bar or go for something to eat. There's not many places, and camping as well. There's not many places that take camping in Spain with dogs. But I wouldn't not go with a dog. Have you found that though? It's not easy. It's like having a child, isn't it, when you've got a dog?
Jenny.
Oh, Jenny.